Augie, I actually forgot to give my sticker as well.
Oh yeah, I know you posted that you made these, no? Very nice. Don't be a squid, no? And there's no face in your... You're going to regret this. Yeah, you're going to regret this one day, yeah? Face hiding. No, I'm just saying, honestly, it became very hard for me to hide my identity over time. And that's why I decided to eventually do it, because I didn't want someone who dislikes me or dislikes my videos going out there and posting a video of me and showing my face without me having any say in it. So I decided I might as well show my face on my own terms and make it worth someone else's time. So that's why I started the second channel. Why let haters get their way, right?
Yeah, right. Totally agree. Even I thought that after 1K subscribers, I will do a face reveal.
Yeah, so what you can do is you can probably say at so-and-so subscriber mark,
yeah.
and show my face. That makes people want to subscribe to the
Because people who are following on me Facebook and Instagram, they know how I look like, but very few people.
India's 6'2" Honda. Instead of 6'4" Honda.
6'2". Yamaha, it's Yamaha.
6'2" Yamaha.
Yamaha. They finally arrived, chasing Nirvana, Roadrunner, Captain Claw, and Arid. Scooter Life India was here, but he is leading the team GLS, so he went ahead. And now even we will leave. क्या बोलते हैं ब्रेक Two other guys joined us, one on the Pulsar 220 and the other one is on the Duke 390. Raven done. We guys are finally at the second floor of the museum. Everyone is sitting over there, and even I will go and I will sit and we'll see what happens.
Motovlogging is the future, right? And that's the way forward for our community. And if you guys can influence our youth, I don't want to sound old when I say this, but if you guys can influence our youth with the right kind of skills and the right kind of manners or etiquette while riding on the road, I think it'll be a better world and a better road for pretty much all of us. We had a subscriber, Augie subscriber, just message him basically that he has a very few days left, to be honest, brutally honest, and he wanted more videos out. And I mean, he told all of us about it, and we decided that this was the best opportunity to go and surprise him, meet him over there and surprise him. So we went on this journey, this 900-kilometer journey, along with our bikes, and we probably gave him one of the surprises he wasn't expecting. And on the channel is all about giving back to the community. I mean, Biking Brotherhood, as you know, is like a brotherhood to all of us. And giving back is one of the aims that we have now, and that's the whole point of this second channel. So if you've not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Tell your friends about it, because it's for a good cause, obviously, and it's not going to stop. We have this one cause for the Cancer Foundation. Going ahead, we might move on and branch out to certain other things, but it is going to be for good causes at the end. And next up, we've got some things planned for you as well. So we're going to show you all. So part 3 has been released. That's the last video we released on the second channel. How many of you have seen part 4? Someone raised their hand back there. Okay, but part never expected this kind of turnout. I saw the Biking Brotherhood come together in the event which I set up on Facebook, and that meant a lot to me, because that's something which I've been trying to do myself for quite some time. I saw people posting things like, hey, I'm coming from so-and-so place, is there anyone else riding from here? And the very next second or the very next minute, there was a response from someone saying, hey, buddy, I'm coming from here as well, why don't we meet up and ride? You know, and give yourself a round of applause for that. There's a lot of challenges we face as bikers, and I'm saying the word bikers because we know the risks involved in riding. We promote safety amongst each other in whatever way, shape or form. And there's this generic term which people call, oh, so you ride a bike, so you're a biker. And how many of you think that's true? You ride a bike, you're a biker? No. That's not 100% true, right? There's a lot more that goes into that. We're not jerks, we don't cut off people in traffic. We're not jerks, I flip people off, so that's a different thing on here. We obey the rules. We know what safety is, and we know the risks involved as well. We've seen people get affected because of not wearing the right kind of gear as well. The reason I'm wearing my gear as well today and I'm not changing it is because I want to continue to enforce that. Someone making fun of me saying, "Adgat, you were making fun of me." So I think it's important that we promote safety in whatever area we can. I had these kids come up to me yesterday on their cycles, and they were saying they watched my channel as well. And that's when I really started to realize how much of an influence we as a motovlogging community and we as a biking community can have on future generations of bikers or people who at least use the road in some way or form. You'll hear a lot of people saying, oh, you're trying to be the next so-and-so. You're trying to be the next this one, you're trying to be the next that one. And there's a lot of people who can be compared to, because there's so many of us out there now. I myself get mocked saying this guy wants to be the next Royal Jordanian, and in no way am I trying to be him. I idolize the guy, but I wouldn't want to be him. Every one of you should understand that there's content you can watch and learn from, and there's content you can watch and take bits and pieces from. Not all of us can pull off probably what Akash does on his channel. Not everyone can pull off what maybe with Biker 390, what Biker 390 can do with his channel. But we have our own style. I would encourage you to watch as much motovlogging as possible and not just restrict yourself to only those people who you subscribe to. There might be people with maybe less than 100 subscribers out there who are probably editing and have better content than what me or any other motovloggers out there have. Find those guys, watch them, learn from them, and use that. The more you restrict yourself to watching just one particular genre of motovlogging or YouTube channel for that matter, the more you're restricting your creativity. Besides motovlogging, watch other channels as well. There are channels which give you advice on how to keep your audience engaged
I'll keep them watching your content throughout the 10 or 11 or 15 or 20 or 30 minutes, whatever the duration of your video is. Watch and learn from those guys. And yeah, I think eventually after that, the main thing I think would be to have a goal. So don't just enter saying, okay, I'm going to upload video, I'm going to make money. If you're entering in it for money, then you're in the wrong business. You have to search for another source of employment, which is why I'm also working and doing it. that's my mantra. Yeah, so I think that's pretty much all the advice I can give without giving away too much. So yeah, answer the question. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so motovlog for cause aside, do you all have any other questions for me about my personal life, about this guy who looks like me sitting in front of me?
Yes.
No. Okay, ask.
How long does it take for you to edit your video?
So does it? What a joke. So there's a reason he's asking this. Because I hog the computer whenever I'm editing my videos, so then you get to use it as much. But if I'm honestly answering that question, it depends on how much I want to put into the video. It varies, and then technology always has that final kick in the nuts when it takes time to render, right? So it depends on that. What's that?
Get spammed down.
So here is the guy who actually motivated me. I don't call him Ogiev. Whenever you see my comments, I call him Mr. Motivator instead of calling him Ogiev. So nice to meet you actually.
It's nice to meet you finally. You're much taller than I expected you to be. I think now I know how short people feel.
Yeah.
I think you feel really short.
By the 6 feet 2 inches tall. 6 feet 2 inches tall.
6'2". You play basketball or something?
No.
This is naturally.
Yeah, my dad is tall now, so that's fine. So nice to meet you.
I know you asked for the old stickers.
Yeah.
You asked for them, right?
So you have them?
I have them with me. They're in the car now, so that if you would
So yeah, I will be.
stick around.
Yeah.
The old one. I'll give you one.
Sir, thank you so much.
No problem, man. Thank you. All the best for your time.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Roadrunner 250. Do subscribe to him. तुम्ही हे घ्या स्टिकर घ्या पहिले
Thank you.
सगळ्यांना देतोय रे हे तू ऑफिस केले रे ना सौरभ पील ऑफ है कौन बचा Augie, I actually forgot to give my sticker as well.
Oh yeah, I know you posted that you made these, no? Very nice. Don't be a squid. Out. And there's no face in your. You're going to regret this. Yeah, you're going to regret this one day. Yeah, face hiding. No, I'm just saying honestly, it became very hard for me to hide my identity over time, and that's why I decided to eventually do it because I didn't want someone who dislikes me or dislikes my videos going out there and posting a video of me and showing my face without me having any say in it. So I decided I might as well show my face on my own terms and make it worth someone else's time. So that's why I started the second channel. Why let haters get their way, right?
Yeah, right. Totally agree. Even I thought that after 1K subscribers, I will do a face to me.
Yeah, so what you can do is you can probably say at so and so subscriber mark
yeah.
and show my face. And it makes people want to subscribe to the
Because people who are following on me Facebook and Instagram, they know how I look like, but very few
We
people.
are India's 6'2" Honda. So 6'4" Hondas.
6'2". Yamaha, it's Yamaha.
6'2" Yamaha.
Yamaha. एक दे ना
तो ब्लॉगर्स को 3 मिलेगा एक चैनल में भी डालने का
चैनल में मेरे 2 हेलमेट है ना दो सर है मेरे पास 2 सर है नाइस मीटिंग यू टू चल बाय मीट यू सून चल इतना बिल्डर हूँ नहीं मैं, इसमें दिखने मजा आता है। That's Biker 390 riding on V800. The tunnel fun. I know the camera mic is not doing any sort of justice to it, but we'll try to put or to gain maximum out of it. So I don't know where we guys are right now, but Mumbai is 81 kilometers from here and Thane is 69. Around 43 and Bangalore is 32. I'm in Powai right now. Powai Lake is crossed. Andheri is ahead. A good time, a new group ride with good memories. So that's pretty much it about today's vlog. I hope to see you guys in my next vlog. Until then, this is Ravidab signing off and ride safe. Don't be a squid. Thanks for watching.
Alright, okay, so I think the most number of views I get on my channel are from my battle, my driver scene, which means that you guys like those kind of videos. So if you do, then what the hell are you doing and not subscribing to his channel? He's got much more content than I do. Go ahead, give him a shout out, give him a subscribe, and subscribe to him, not give him a shout out. Subscribe to him and enjoy his content.